So good evening, Samindra ma'am. Thank you so much for
Thank
gracing
you, ma'am, for inviting.
BPBWS Basantotsav with your presence. Now, Samindra ma'am doesn't need an introduction. She has been part of Bhakti Park for years. One of my very close friend introduced her to me, and then onwards, after teaching art to my children, she taught art to me, and she taught art to my mother also. So just as a comment, there's a painting right behind me, which was done. Under the guidance of Samindra ma'am. Of course, doing something like this again is quite impossible without her presence. So, ma'am, I welcome you to the session, and I'd request you to please take this forward and tell us what we need to do for the soil pastel workshop.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So let's start. So we require a plain paper or a book for the workshop, for the oil pastel workshop, and we require some colors. Some right now I'm using domes. You can use any of the brand, and I require some tissue. So for starting, we require to enhance a skill. Now, basically, what you need a pincer grip to hold the color. Okay. So first, we will be doing a brush up of background. So how you will be doing it? We'll just place it, and you need. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes, yes, very clearly.
So we'll do a practice. You can use multiple colors. I'm using a shade of orange.
Okay. So, ma'am, do we need to stick to one palette like warm colors or cold colors, or can we use any colors?
Basically, you can use like a different color schemes, but I prefer using warm. It
Okay.
attracts, and you can play with the colors. I'm using the red for the darker tone.
Right.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Clearly visible.
Oh, yeah. So I've already made a base.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Very clear. Absolutely
So
clear.
basically, I've been using the rainbow scheme
Yeah,
right from the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and the indigo.
correct.
Yeah. So now I'll be teaching a second technique called stippling. Stippling is basically the dot methods, the
Okay,
multiple dots. Yeah, just plain dots.
okay.
Like this.
Ma'am, can you take the sheet a little up? Oh, okay. Yes, now visible. Yes. Okay, just dots.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I've just created this.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So now we'll be learning the final thing. So what am I doing? With this base, I'm
Okay,
using the sap green color, any
okay.
shade of green, the
All right.
darker green. So I will be making a rough outline.
Okay. Yes,
Is it visible, ma'am?
yes, it is absolutely visible.
now the darker shade of green. This
Okay.
is basically the Persian green.
Right.
Yeah, I think I'm using all the shades, possible shades of green to fill the space.
Okay.
The entire space.
Right.
For this technique, you don't require any pencil or brush or anything else.
Okay.
The outcome is very beautiful when you finish this. I'm just placing few dots in
Okay.
different tones.
All right.
A bit of a darker. Then I have the middle green.
Okay.
These are basically pigmented colors.
Okay.
It's a mixture of powdered chalk colors and wax, melted wax.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, ma'am, we need these colors to actually draw on the oil pastels, or any other color will also do.
Oil pastels. And the sheet you can use is tinted sheet. This is basically I'm using a drawing book, but
Okay.
for if you want to make a scenery or a landscape, you can use a tinted sheet. It
Okay.
comes in different colors.
All right. Okay.
See, everyone cannot handle paints and the watercolors. So
Yes.
this is the
Yes.
easiest medium.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm using a shade of yellow.
Yeah.
Again, the dark green. So basically, I have finished this much. It's only
Yeah.
dots.
Right. Oh, wow.
So I'm taking. So
Wow.
this is the first layer.
Right.
Now just with the brown, I'm highlighting certain.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Absolutely, very clearly. So just some lines to define that it's a tree-like structure.
Yes.
Clear, very clear. Yes.
I'll just complete another one so you can.
Yes, yes.
You can also scribble. Now, in this section, I'm doing the scribbling part. So, can you see this? I'm
Yes,
just
yes.
scribbling.
Yes, I can see.
So, first we learned the stipple method. Now, we are learning the scribbling method.
Right.
Is it visible now?
Yes, 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 it is.
So, this is one method
Yeah.
using oil pastels. I'll just show you the. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely. Very clear.
Oh,
Absolutely.
yeah. So now the second one,
Oh,
after base,
okay, okay,
using a blue and a green. I've
okay.
just merged both the colors together.
Right.
So
So this is
now,
just two colors, or are there extra shades in this? Just two
no, only
colors?
two colors.
Oh, perfect.
Only two colors. This
Okay.
you can see the use because of the hand pressure. You can see the
Okay.
difference. It's only of the pressure of my hand.
Okay. So this is just basically two, half circles you've created, and then you've merged it using your hand to kind of merge the
Yes,
color, right? Okay.
yes.
Okay.
So now basically, I've just made some lines with the darker shade of green.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
You need to swirl the color. Now I don't know how much it is visible, but I'm just swirling.
Oh, okay. So kind of, yeah. I got what you're saying. Swirling of the color.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Wonderful.
So I'm using a darker shade of purple.
Mm-hmm.
Again, putting some dots.
Ma'am, for swirling, what color had you used?
The dark green.
Dark green. Okay. Now this is purple.
Yeah, the shade of purple.
Okay.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, 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 I can.
I'm taking a dark purple and I'm just putting few tones.
Okay.
So you can get the darker and the middle.
Okay. Ma'am, the placement is basically according to, yeah, our own imagination. It can
Yes.
be big and small, right? That will give a dimension to the, uh, painting
Yeah,
drawing,
it's
whatever.
it's upon your aesthetic sense how you
Right.
place which form you can even change the outer. I've taken a circle, you
Correct.
can take a triangle,
Right, right, right.
anything which is convenient.
Sure, sure, sure.
Only the placement of the form is important, how you place the form. So now
Okay.
basically I've used 70% of the greeners and 30% of the blues.
Okay. Okay.
So this is basically the principal value of designing, or you can say.
All right.
I'm taking a white, a
Yeah.
pure white,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm just mixing it.
Ah, ha, ha. Okay, okay, okay.
So I'll get the lighter tone,
Mm-hmm.
lightest.
Correct. And you basically ensuring that you do this only to one side of all these. I mean, they look like some
Yes,
flowers or something. One side, so that that impact or the effect comes.
yes. So it creates a dimension.
Correct. What are you doing now, ma'am? Darker color.
Yeah, just filling the gaps.
Acha. Okay, fill in the gaps. The same color we started off with, purple.
Yeah, the same colors. I'm taking the dark green and I'm swirling the down part.
Right. Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes. What are you doing this time? Impact, like effect of a leaf, darker color.
Yeah, putting few spots with
Okay.
this with the purple color, not with the
Oh,
green.
with the purple color. Okay. Oh, wonderful. Wow.
So now I'm taking the pink tone,
Okay,
just
pink.
putting few the dark pink
Okay.
closest to the purple shade. Can you
All
see
right.
this?
Yes, I can.
Makes a difference?
Huge difference. It gives a 3D kind of, I mean, I don't know, there's a depth
Yes.
to that now. And you're just using this color on one side of the flowers, like the other side where you put some white.
Yeah. So basically it is dark, medium. So basically it is this.
Yeah. Very nice. Beautiful impact, ma'am.
You can also add a bit of white, but this white, my white is not working properly.
We can make what, ma'am? Twitter white. What did you say?
For more beauty, you
Oh,
where
okay.
I've added the lighter tone, you can add a bit of a white.
Okay.
The highlight, what you call.
Correct.
So this is it.
Yeah. Wonderful. Every color, ma'am, every impact is showing so well in the drawing.
And this we have did just with the help of pastel colors. We have not
Exactly.
used the
Exactly.
pencil. We have not even used any form of techniques. This is dot methods, stipple
Absolutely.
method.
I mean, this is something that even a, not really a very small child, but a 6 7 year old can easily control the oil pastel in
Easily.
this, right?
All you need is a little hand control and a
Right.
color sense. That
Correct. Fabulous. Wonderful. Wow.
yeah.
Beautiful. This is so nice. And it's just when you're doing it, of course it's simple. It's about knowing the one step from the other, and it came across so beautifully on a blank sheet of paper. Yeah, this is really beautiful. The other one also, ma'am, if you could just show it once. Yeah.
You just need to little add a darker tone actually to enhance it.
Okay.
This is little subtle as compared
Right.
to this.
Yes, 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 yes. That's almost like, that there's a little bit of. It's not that deep and not that sort of dimensional in terms of the one which is
This is
little
looking a
darker.
little flat.
Right.
This has a dimension.
Yes, 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 yes. The one on right, on my right, is of course a little shadow like almost.
Okay.
It doesn't have that reality or the depth that the other one is having.
Yeah.
Fabulous, man. Fabulous. So,
Yes.
um, amazing two techniques. I think this is going to be very, very useful, especially for people, who can
This
draw
is
a
basically
little.
for the beginners who have. This is
Yes,
basically for the beginners who are using it for a very first time. We have
yes,
lots of more techniques. We have
yes.
blending, we have smudging, we have the hashing techniques in this. Lot
Correct.
more we can learn. This is
So, ma'am,
basically,
there are many, I know children who are just waiting to have drawing classes, but they don't have access to the same. So, are you open to online drawing sessions? Are you taking drawing sessions online?
actually, ma'am, if I'll get an opportunity, definitely I'll continue teaching. But the
Right.
thing, yeah, right now I'm currently operating for my nursery group.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and also
And
I have a tie-up with one of the NGOs, local NGOs.
lovely.
So once in a week, I go there and I teach them.
Oh, lovely. So, ma'am, just in case, when we put this out on the YouTube, I will, of course, be giving, if you don't mind, I'll be giving you contact details. So, let's say, some people want online sessions. Would you be open for that? And what would be your availability?
They can personally contact me. So looking at their schedule and my schedule, I can fix the timings according to them,
Perfect.
and we
So,
can
I
carry
will,
it.
yeah. So, I will be sharing your mobile number then, along with your name. And
Oh, sure, ma'am.
especially
Sure.
younger children, or I don't know, online sessions, I don't know parents how much they will be comfortable with. It has to be a child who can handle the online session almost independently. Only then I think parents might be interested. So I will share it. And of course, for my children, me and my mom, I had already told you that we really, really look forward to having you back as a teacher. Of course, we cannot physically have you here, but
Same
having
here,
you
ma'am.
online also, has, I think it has an amazing impact, because I myself am feeling very excited that maybe I should also start a little bit of doing this kind of, because especially in COVID,
Definitely.
you realize that what gives you real happiness are these things, you know uh,
Yes.
वो
Yes.
बड़ी गाड़ी, बड़ा बड़ा घर एंड खाना पीना, वो एक साइड रह जाता है, और अपने आप को खुश देने वाली चीजें एक अलग जगह पे रह जाती
और
है.
आर्ट तो ऐसी चीज है मैम, सिंगिंग हो, कोई भी आर्ट हो, वो तो
हाँ,
हमेशा अपने
like I
आप को
keep on
खुशी.
looking at your photos, and I keep on wondering, आप इतना glow कर रहे हो, and I think that glow comes from the fact that you are involved in things which are
Yes, I'm still teaching. I'm doing my practice. I am doing something or the other regarding art.
so I think
So
that
it
shows on
is
your
like a
face.
part of.
It shows on your face. It shows on your face. Of course,
Thank
thanks
you.
to your husband and family also. They also
Yeah,
must
yeah,
be
great support.
contributing to your glow and your happiness. वो
Thank
दिखता है,
you.
है ना? So thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the session. I will get back to you. I will connect with you
Sure, ma'am.
separately, and we'll take this forward. Thank you so much for being a part of our
Anytime for you,
celebration.
ma'am. Anytime.
Thank you so much. And you should watch your own session once we edit it and we put it on
Sure, sure,
YouTube.
sure.
Yeah. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, ma'am.
Thank you,
See
ma'am.
you. Have a
Yeah.
very nice
Bye.
day,
Same here,
nice
ma'am.
week.
Bye.
Thank you.